guys, here at House of Mercier in Lima, Peru, in our own factory. You can see them here in the factory, the guys working all the beautiful things that House of Mercier has to offer. Today, I wanted to show you about the trays. We're doing different shapes with different finishes, different colors. So take a look. We're doing round frames. This is a round frame to give you an idea of sizes. This is 18 and this is 20 inches diameter. Fabulous design, black and white leather, Fahrenheit leather. These are just the simple rectangular ones in two sizes, 12 by 16 and 15 by 20 on these two with incredible handles that support a lot of weight. The handles are made in tough leather, so it will long last forever. Then we have these new ones, which are the rounded corner trays. This is aluminum on the corners and all the way around the tray that we cover with the leather, and we have wood underneath like the rest of these ones. But these are tapestry leathers that we are using for these kind of finishes. We have this blue color, this brown color, but look at all these possibilities of color combinations, and especially the details that we take care on these details on the joints of the leather in here. Come to our website, take a look on the www.houseofmercier.com. You will be able to see this and way more of what we are capable of to do on trays, boxes, photo frames, and a lot of accessories. Don't forget to take a look on the furniture as well. Again, www.houseofmercier.com. Thank you very much. Andres Mercier from Lima, Peru.